Hey guys, Jake at TOMS Bronco Parts. I wanted to go over some of our new products and I wanted to answer some questions that people have. We get calls for this all the time. I got your new pleated high quality quarter panel inserts. I have the hard top style or the soft top style, and I'm wondering how to mount those. Nowadays a lot of guys are really cleaning up their Bronco, making them look incredibly sharp, so they're putting in these quarter panel inserts, but possibly their Bronco didn't have them from the factory like a lot of the 75 Rangers or Explorers would have. So they're wondering how to mount them. We have two different styles of the quarter panel inserts. We have a soft top style, and the soft top style, this top edge has been cut off. And when it fits up against the quarter panel here, you can see, if I remove the hard top one, it sits in place and rests slightly below the edge of the quarter panel. So that is so you don't see it from the outside. It's a nice clean line and it mounts in place. Usually when we're putting these in, we'll use a small sheet metal screw, a self-tapping sheet metal screw that has a washer head built in. So this is a modified truss self-tapping sheet metal screw in a number 8, and that's what we'll use. This is stainless steel. If I'm running the black quarter panel inserts, sometimes you can get these in black as well. That's what I'll use. And I'll just anchor a couple, maybe 2 or 3 along the front edge, the back edge, and along the inside flange of the quarter panel. You can also mount them blind with different clips if you feel like you don't want to be able to see anything. So this is our parchment quarter panel insert in the soft top style. Now if you're running a hard top style, it has a flange. You can see the seam here that actually bends over. So once your hard top is on, you've bolted it down, this bends over and covers the bolt heads, giving it a nice clean look on the inside of your hard top. Now if you would have had a factory, say 75 Ranger that came with quarter panel inserts, you would have had this bracket here, and we do sell these. This is our quarter panel insert mounting bracket. This is bolted down using the hard top bolts. This sits inside the lip of the hard top, and it has these standoffs. Now these standoffs would catch the flap as it folds over, and it would rest on top of these standoffs. And you can do one or two things. You can go ahead and screw the flap down using the sheet metal screw. If you don't like that and you want it blind, you'll have to cut a recess in the back, and you can use a spring clip just like the original door panels would have had, and press those down into the holes on the top of this bracket here. Another thing that we have available, just a small right angle bracket, but a factory early model Bronco that had quarter panel inserts would have had these mounted along the wheel well. There had been 3, one on the back edge, top edge, and leading edge, and that would have kept the quarter panel from distorting and rocking inward. And also if you put these on, it can give you another mounting point if you want to mount them with a sheet metal screw. Now I would recommend mounting these with some panel bond or a 2-part epoxy. You can sheet metal screw them down, but if you do that, you're gonna have a screw passing through your wheel well. It'll be visible from underneath. So a panel bond or a 2-part epoxy is the best way to mount these. Now these come in a pack of 6, so 3 per side, and it just really cleans everything up and gives you a nice finish, some more anchoring points for these inserts. And if you have this bracket, it holds that flap down nice and clean. So these are some of the portions that we like to use during the install of these higher quality quarter panel inserts.